Hello everyone. I thought I'd come back today and show you a new kit that I've created for my shop. It's called Assemblage and it's in my shop now if you're interested. I just thought I'd come and show you the pages, everything that's in the kit right now. This is one of the pages. It's assembled, that's why I've called it Assemblage, by all commercial use pieces of ephemera. So they're copyright free. So this is a good thing. And this is the second page. I'm all fingers today. It's not coming apart. There's another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. And this one. So there are altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are seven pages that you can fold in half and create a journal with. Those are just the pages. So, and these are the ATC cards that I made from those pages. So there's 8 on each page. So there's this one and there's this one. And then I created some tags. So there's these tags, and these tags. And once I printed this, I thought, gosh, am I ever a dum-dum? I'll make it, it's hard to do now because everything is zipped and somewhere else. Etsy can't hold all of this, all of these. There's too many zip folders and they're too big. So I've had to put them on my my Google Drive. Anyway, there is a link for you to download all of this on my Google Drive that you will get as soon as you purchase. And the next thing I made was these folders. I've actually got one cut out, or yeah, one's cut out here, so it cuts out pretty nice. I've used my, I don't see it on my desk right now, my corner rounder for all things except this one corner here and here. I can't use it here or here, but can be used for pretty much anything. So I'll just show you what file folders come with the kit. So there's those two. There's those. Oops, I'm out of frame, sorry. I just in really tight. And there's those two. And there's those two. Oops. And an add-on that's going to be coming soon. Before I do that, I want to show you the background pages. So I've created 3. There's this one. Do it this way so you can see it better. That one. There's that one. And there's that one. So there's 3 background pages. That's the kit. So then I decided, after the fact, I was going to create some circles. So I do believe these are 2-inch circles. And yes, they are. Wouldn't you know, I don't have a 2-inch punch. So what I did have a punch with scalloped edge, so I kind of used a scalloped edge on them. I think they're going to be cute. So anyways, these will be added to my Etsy within the next day or so as an add-on, and it won't cost much. I mean, they're just circles. So I'll give you an idea of what I'm making. A journal from my own kit, and I think that's the best way to portray it. Although I know a lot of you are so creative, way more creative than me. So yeah, I've just got a little pocket here that I may or may not use. I don't know. It's still in the making. I've just kind of used paper clips to put things in place. But I thought I would do maybe a craft with me while I decorate this. So that's coming up. Anyways, I do have one of those little folders, and I've got these little number tags. I don't know where I put them now. I thought I had them here. Oh, here they are. See, I just cut one out. These are on my are in my shop as well, and they're all different numbers. So I thought that this would look really cute on there, but I haven't. I'm just putting it in place because I want to add some, I don't know, some lace and maybe some other things. And I've got a little note to myself to pull other things to put in here. So I'll just do that. So then I got my coffee dyed paper, and I made this little pocket. I've got these in my shop as well. These are ephemera cards, and they are just so cute. Just like there's 2 pages of them. So there's I believe there's 24. There's 24 altogether, and they just look really cute at the bottom of a tag like this. I just really like it. So, because I wanted some kind of depiction of, like, this is going to be, as you can tell, it's going to be kind of a nature themed sort of, and this kind of a, I know I'm all over the place, you guys. This kind of a journal can be anything. It could even be shabby chic if you wanted it to be, I think. Maybe not going that far, but you know what I mean. So I made this out of book pages, and it's all over YouTube. Everyone's making them. So I've got 3 pockets. One here, and one here. And all I did with this was just glue a bunch of different things together, and it looks cute. So that'll go there. I'm not sure. I think I'll stitch. I don't know if I'll stitch it on. Maybe, maybe not. Then I've got a tag for the back. So I wanted to clip that, but I've used my clip. So, oh no, here it is. I want to clip that. And then I've used a book page. And I had this, I kind of tested this tree out in my folder for my Big Shot. So then I just inked over it. I don't know if you can even see that. You probably can. Just the raised parts. I thought it was because it's a tree. So then I have nothing here yet. Not that I will have anything there. Then here's another one of those little cards. And I made a little book page pocket here, and here's one of the tags. Just fits in there like that. and depending on how you add it to the page, you could have space behind as well. So, and I thought this cherry blossom looked really cute there. So there's lots of work to be done on this yet. I took the tree off here. Put that back. I've got coffee dyed paper, some white paper, some lined paper, all different kinds of tags that you could find in my shop as digital downloads. Not that you have to buy them, but they don't have the other stuff on the back, so it's only frontage on these. So over here, and this was an envelope that I have on Etsy that you can cut out and make, and I just glued bits of paper. Just bits of paper. Most of this stuff is from my ripped strips that I have on Etsy. So then I just tuck this card in there like that, and it's got one of my words as well. I have some positive words in my shop I've used there. Then I've got an Edith Holden page here. And there's another one of the cover, or one of the pages with a doily. It's coffee dyed paper. Here's some more of my kit. Some more book page. With some white page. I think on the white pages I'm going to do a little stenciling very lightly. Like I say, there's a lot to do here. I've added a bag, but I haven't cut this open yet. Not that I'm going to cut it there. I might cut it at the top, but we'll see. And I've got more lined paper. And of course this journal will be for sale once it's finished. This is my center. It's one signature, and I think it works out to about close to 90 pages. I think that's a lot for me. So I'm just going to quickly get through this. So this one flips open. And here's the bag. I've got a little... I don't like these sometimes. They get stuck and tear. I hate that. Okay. So, I've got a index card that I'm going to stick in there along with something else. I haven't quite made up my mind yet what, but something. Like, it's early stages. I just kind of threw this together in the last few days. More book page. I love this page. More ledger. The doily. The back of the Edith Holden. Ledger. And here's another one of those little pockets that I made. I really like these a lot. They're just so cute and so easy to put together. Yeah. And there's that. Then there's that. White page. Guide paper. Here's another one of those little cards with a bird. Well, it says bird on it. I don't have to tell you it's a bird. And a tag, which I haven't sewn yet, and I'm not sure I'm going to sew. We'll see. Here's the other side of that tree that's embossed. And more. And here, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I really am not, I'm not sure. I might put a big tag in here with a, you know, a cluster doomy on the bottom. I don't know. It's like I said, it's such early stages of the game. I thought I would bring you along and we'll see what mistakes I make, and I'll probably make many because, you know, I haven't been doing this that long. So I hope that you enjoy the kit. I hope you go over and at least have a look. There's lots and lots and lots of goodies. Like I say, lots of goodies. Those are the back pages. I don't even know. I'm gonna scooch out in a minute. Right now. There. That's as far as I can go. And these circles will be in my shop soon. So they're not there yet. So this is the kit. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you come along and help me decorate my my journal, my assemblage journal. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye now.